Hello, this is Taylor. I'm with Valleyscape Irrigation. I'm going to try to look at the camera the whole time I'm talking. It's kind of hard to do, but I'm in a kind of an awkward position here, but I wanted to show you something I think might be helpful. I get the question sometimes, can I just replace the diaphragm on my sprinkler valve that's leaking? Possibly. There's some factors to take into account though. The age, the model, does everything else work on the valve? So I want to show you an example. Right here, we've got these three valves have been replaced. They're not original. This one is original. And additionally, this is not made by Hunter anymore, a square-bodied anti-siphon. Everything is real hard and like starting to fall apart, and it's hard to turn the solenoid. Because of that, it's not a good idea to just replace pieces on this valve. It's too old and everything else is going to start failing. Now, if it's pretty new like the other valves, maybe you can replace just the diaphragm if it's leaking a little bit. But take these things into account, figure out if it's worth it. Oftentimes, to be honest, it's worth just replacing the whole thing. So can you replace the diaphragm in a valve only? Just depends. I would say in most cases it's better just to do the whole thing. At least you're getting all new parts and there's a warranty in place. So keep this in mind, and if you find yourself in this position, I hope this helps you.